In today's video, I am going to teach you how to measure email analytics in Zoho CRM. If you are running email campaigns from within Zoho CRM, you will want a clear way to track what is happening over time. A dashboard is one of the best ways to keep those numbers visible because it pulls the key email performance metrics into a single view. In this video, you will create a simple dashboard that shows the email statistics you care about. To begin, look at the right navigation area in Zoho CRM. You will see a section labeled Analytics. Click Analytics in the right navigation bar. This takes you into the place where dashboards and reporting tools live. Take a moment to make sure you are in the correct menu, because the navigation options can look similar across different areas of the CRM. Once you are in the Analytics area, you will be ready to start building your dashboard. Find the option that says Create Dashboard and click it. This is the step where you switch from browsing analytics to actually creating a new report layout. When the creation window opens, pay attention to the choices for charts and quick views, because those determine how your email numbers will be displayed. After you click Create Dashboard, you will need to choose what type of chart you want. Select Chart or select Quick Chart if that is what you prefer. A chart is useful when you want a more visual breakdown, while a quick chart is a faster way to set up a dashboard tile. At this stage, choose the option that matches how you want the data to look on screen. The key is that you are setting up a specific chart component for your email metrics. Next, you will choose what part of Zoho CRM this dashboard chart will reference. Look for the setting that says Module and choose Emails as the specific module. This is an important step because Zoho CRM has multiple modules, and the analytics will differ depending on which module you select. By choosing Emails, you tell the system that you only want email-related performance data. With emails selected, you will now set the primary metric. In your metric options, choose Sent, Opened, or Bounced. These metrics correspond to different stages of email performance. Sent is the total number of emails that were delivered or dispatched. Opened tracks whether recipients opened the emails. Bounced shows emails that could not be delivered successfully. When you select one of these options, the dashboard chart will configure itself to display that specific metric. At this point, take a moment to confirm that the metric matches what you are trying to measure. If your goal is to monitor delivery, Sent is usually the best starting point. If your goal is engagement, Opened is the key measure. If your goal is deliverability and list health, Bounced helps you identify issues. You can later adjust or create additional dashboard elements, but for now you are selecting one primary metric to keep the dashboard clear and focused. Finally, once you have selected the chart type, the emails module, and your primary metric, you are ready to save your work. Click Save. This step stores your dashboard configuration, so it will be available whenever you want to review your email performance. Saving also ensures that your settings do not reset when you leave the page, and that is all there is to it. You have successfully set up email analytics in Zoho CRM by creating a dashboard, choosing a chart option, selecting the emails module, picking a primary metric such as Sent, Opened, or Bounced, and saving your dashboard so you can track results over time.